Hey there, YouTube. Well, here's a record player I've had for quite a while and never got around to filming. I'm giving it to my brother because he wants it, and I'll never use it. It's too heavy for me to really get out and move, and I don't have the space for it. The turntable is kind of rusty and messed up, but that's no big deal. It works. I may look into dropping another turntable into it or redoing this one. It's missing the needle right now, but I have one ordered for it. I did have the only thing I've done to this one so far is I had the electrolytic capacitor in this one replaced because it had a real bad hum to it. But all the other capacitors were within spec, so they were left. I have it hooked into my sorry, that's me. I'm messing with my J-Rig ground rod right there. But I'm playing it in mono mode right now, so it'll play out of left and right speakers. Because I only have one of these. Ouch. That hurt my ears. And I have my turntable plugged into this record player. This is a Motorola, and I just knocked my ground wire out again. But it does work. It's kind of a bit of a buzz, but that's because all this is going on right here. It doesn't do it when this is plugged in. And when I turn the volume down, it doesn't do it when this turntable is plugged into it. But yeah. This is Cher Dark Lady. I'll let y'all listen to it. It actually plays fairly well. And what we did when we did the electrolytics is we opened the canister up and we just rebuilt the canister, so it's got the original canister in it, but it's got new guts in it. So it looks original. Brushing her cat in her black limousine. On the backseat, scratches from the marks of man, her fortune she had lost. Couldn't see through the tinted glass. She said, "Home, James," he hit the gas. Followed her to some darkened room. Took my money, she said, "I'll be with you soon." This is a 6-tube unit. It's got a power tube and 5 other tubes. I don't remember what they are, but one of them, I don't remember what numbers they are and what they all do. I'd have to look just a minute to get it. So I ran home and called in my bed. Couldn't sleep because of all the things she said. Then I remembered her strange perfume, how I smelled it wasn't. This is the cover for it right now on the bottom. But of course I have it off because, well, I got soul wire. And I wanted, before I started ordering more parts for it, I wanted to see how well it worked. But it works pretty good. Sounds pretty good too. When I originally did this, it sounded horrible. The music was badly distorted because of the electrolytics. Alright, that's it, YouTube. Like, comment, like, and subscribe. See you later.